finally got this proper camera thing with light and everything. Hello. So we're just doing a preview of this package that I got today, because there's several things in it. I need to open it to check it, because this is a pack of old sort of out of print BTS packages. Spoiler, all the cards are sugar because they let you choose, and I had to choose him, and I was trying to tell myself not to, and maybe, but I thought, you know, I'm probably gonna get other people when I buy the new stuff, the unopened stuff, so might as well get sugar for these ones. Not okay, like it was taking too long. They did warn me they packed it properly because it's a bit crazy. Ooh! Thanks. What in actual... here are things. What in... and the... Okay, these are gifts. What in actual hell? Okay, there's one thing I learned is that these kinds of things come with things. I guess. Oh my god, I did send them a lot of money, and guess this is what that means. Jesus, Mary Joseph. Okay. So, I can't get over that. Hold on, just misplaced my... So, the first thing here is Season's Greetings 19. And then, behind it is... I can just somehow far out. They're amazing. Wow. Winter package 2020. Okay. I have no word for this. Okay. Oh god, people are so cute. I can't believe it. That's so cool. I'm gonna go through this. Summer package 17. I'll show you. Let me put it back because I'm afraid I'm going to damage it. There you go. Right, friends. And this is summer package 19. And oh my god. Summer package 18. So I've got, I don't know if I can get them all in frame. $17, $18, and $19 for the summer packages. They look really good. They look like they're in good shape. Add them to the pile of stuff. And then Season's Greetings 19 and 20. So I actually have, no, this winter package. Sorry. never mind. So I found out that they stopped doing the they stopped doing the summer package because it was interrupting with tour. So this is the last. Nope, wait a second. This was the last summer package, and then they went to winter in 2020, and then I did the winter 2021, which is cute. So all these things are gonna be unboxed later. So, I mean, like literally, like, spoiler, they're all sugar. So sorry. It's the life of a sugar stand. I don't know.